Myself CA Joshi Kumar. In this video we are going to cover transfer pricing, very important for exams. और transfer pricing chapter में से आराम से 10 to 15 marks तो आने वाले हैं, तो do not miss out on this video. We are going to do it from scratch. Okay, this video is going to be very useful, so please do watch it till the end. So let's get started. First and foremost, when transfer pricing is applicable? Okay, this is a common question, right? You should know it. When transfer pricing is applicable? Okay, there are two scenarios. First one is there is a company in India. It's an Indian company. Okay, and there is another company in foreign, which is a non-resident, but they both are associate enterprises. When these two companies do a business transaction, then transfer pricing provisions are applicable. Okay, Indian company with its non-resident associate enterprise. First one done. Second one, Indian company doing business with another Indian company. These two should be associate enterprise and the value should be more than 20 crores. Okay, in that case transfer pricing provisions are also applicable. Okay, so these two situations, one is Indian company and the other one is foreign company. Okay, both are associate enterprise. The second one is Indian company and Indian company, they both are associate enterprise and the value is more than 20 crores. Okay, so now let's understand what do you mean by associate enterprise. So in this chapter, there are certain scenarios which are given to determine whether two enterprises are associate enterprises or not. So let's see each and every scenario. Okay, first one is if one enterprise holds 26% or more, I don't have to hold 51%. मैं 26% hold करे तो भी the both enterprise becomes associate enterprise. Let's say A Limited is holding 26% of shares in B Limited or voting power. Okay, 26% or more or equal to. Okay, then in that case A Limited and B Limited, they both are associate enterprises. Oh, cool. I don't have to own 51%, I'm telling you. And then there is another similar one where one enterprise is holding 10% or more. यहाँ पे 26% भी नहीं, यहाँ पे 10% in firm AOP and BOI. Here is not talking about another enterprise. First वाला क्या था? One enterprise मतलब one company in another company. Okay, कंपनी की बात हो रही थी, वहाँ पे 26%. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा? One enterprise 10% in firm AOP and BOI. Okay, यहाँ पे 10% भी है ना, तो both become associate enterprises. Okay, चलो. So here he is talking about common person. ठीक है, there is A Limited which holds 26% in B Limited and also 26% in C Limited. Okay, then B Limited and C Limited, they both are associate enterprise. Okay, great. Let's see another one. Here he is talking about guarantees. कितने का guarantee? 10% or more of the total borrowings of other enterprise. I'll help you understand. Watch it carefully. A Limited took a loan of 100 crores from a bank. अभी B Limited बोल रहा अगर A Limited डिफ़ॉल्ट करा तो I will pay 20 crores. मतलब B Limited is giving guarantee for 20% of his total borrowings. उसके total borrowings कितने थे? 100 crores. B Limited कितना guarantee दे रहा? 20%, which is more than 10% or more. In that case, A Limited and B Limited are associate enterprise. I am repeating again. A Limited took a loan of 100 crores. ठीक है, from so and so bank. B Limited बोल रहा अगर A Limited default करा in repayment, I will pay up to 20%. I will pay 20 crores, which is 20%. ठीक है, in that case that is more than 10% of his total borrowings. A Limited and B Limited are associate enterprise. Clear no? Great. अगर मेरे पास power है, if I can appoint more than half of the directors, let's say erase this, A Limited में total directors है 10 and B Limited is having a power to appoint 7 in A Limited. Okay, if B Limited is having powers to appoint more than half, okay, then in that case A Limited and B Limited are associate enterprises. Clear no? Great. See again, this is a common one which says, give me 1 second. Okay, there is something called C Limited. Okay, C Limited is having power to appoint देखो यहाँ पे टोटल 10 डायरेक्टर्स, यहाँ पे टोटल 10 डायरेक्टर्स. सी लिमिटेड कैन अपॉइंट 7. सी लिमिटेड इज अपॉइंटिंग 7, विच इज मोर देन हाफ इन बोथ ऑफ दिस एंटरप्राइजेस. नो, सी लिमिटेड इज अ कॉमन पर्सन. सी लिमिटेड के पास ये पावर है टू अपॉइंट मोर देन हाफ इन ए, मोर देन हाफ इन बी. In that case also, no, A limited and B limited will become your associate enterprises. Okay, A limited and B limited are both associate enterprises to each other. Okay, anyways, you know, C limited, anyways, here if you see, C limited is an associate enterprise to B limited, C limited is an associate enterprise to A limited. In turn, A limited and B limited are also associate enterprises to each other. Clear? No? Great. Common control, both enterprises controlled by same individual. Easy. HUF point is important. ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा मैं बताता हूँ. HUF के पास कंट्रोल है एक एंटरप्राइज का. HUF is controlling B limited. Okay, and a member of HUF, no, he is also controlling C limited. Okay, now B limited and C limited are associate enterprises. Okay, great. This point is done. HUF point. Advancing, this is important, I'm telling you. Important. Why? Because you will know now. If you see here, no, one enterprise advances 51% of total book value of total assets. Okay, I have given a loan. A limited has given a loan to B limited. Okay, now in B limited books, no, उसके पास total assets है 100 crores. Okay, A limited ने लोन दिया 60 crores. Okay, his book value of total assets is 100 crores and loan is 60 crores, which is more than 51% of book value of total assets. In that case, no, this A limited and B limited, they both are associate enterprise. I'm repeating again 1 second. ठीक है, A limited has given loan to B limited. कितना? 60 crores. 60 crores का लोन दिया. ठीक है, B लिमिटेड का बुक्स, दिस इज B लिमिटेड बुक्स. ओके, B लिमिटेड का बुक्स में टोटल एसेट्स कितना है? 100 crores. ओके, लोन कितना दिया A लिमिटेड ने? A लिमिटेड ने लोन दिया 60 crores. ओके, विच इज़ मोर देन योर 51%. One enterprise advances 51% of loan of the book value of total assets of other enterprise. They both are associate enterprise. I hope this point is clear. Okay, important था, थोड़ा अच्छा करके बता दिया मैंने. So dependence on intangible assets. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा? My business is totally dependent on someone else's trademark, someone's patent, someone's logo, some intangible asset. Someone, किसी के पास license है, I am doing the business. Okay, I'm totally 100% dependent on his intangible asset, on his license, on his trademark. Then we both are associate enterprises. Okay, this one is done. Here he's talking about I am getting raw materials from one enterprise. How much? More than 90%. 90% or more. Okay, in that case we both are associate enterprises. This point is simple. Okay, nothing to worry there. Dependence on sale. See, I am selling to B limited. Okay, A is selling to B. Okay, now B is the person deciding the sale price of A's products. Okay, in that case also A and B are associate enterprises. If one individual controls two enterprises, both enterprises are related. Simple. HF point is already covered. This 10% also we have already covered. If there is any prescribed mutual interest, no, between two enterprises, then also you can say that they both are associate enterprises. Okay, this one is about your associate enterprise, very important. Exam के questions में ना definitely, you know, international जे नॉन रेजिडेंट टैक्सेशन या इंटरनेशनल टैक्सेशन में डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस नहीं आते. ब्रेक होता रहता. पहले आपको डिटरमाइन करना रहता कि वेदर इट इज़ एसोसिएट एंटरप्राइज और नॉट, वेदर ट्रांसफर प्राइसिंग प्रोविजंस आर एप्लीकेबल और नॉट. ओके, तो इन दैट केस दिस सेक्शन इज़ वेरी यूजफुल. ओके, तो आई विल रिपीट वंस अगेन. 51% की ज़रूरत नहीं, 26% का पावर है ना एसोसिएट एंटरप्राइज गारंटी के लिए, बट 10% और मोर. ओके, इफ़ यू आर गिविंग 10% और मोर ऑन गारंटी टू समवन, देन दे बोथ बिकम एसोसिएट एंटरप्राइज. लोन, ये जो लोन एडवांस करते हो ना, फॉर दैट इट इज़ 51%. व्हेन यू आर गिविंग लोन मोर देन 51%, उसके पास टोटल एसेट्स है कितना? 100 crores. ठीक है, उसके पास टोटल एसेट्स हैं 100 crores. तुम दे रहे हो उसको 50% से ज़्यादा तुम लोन दे रहे हो। कोई अपना है तो ही देते ना, कोई परा है तो ऐसा कैसा देते अपन। उसके पास more than 51% of his total assets, then in that case also they both become associate enterprise. Okay, and also 100% intangible assets, कोई भी अपना लाइसेंस, कोई भी अपना ट्रेडमार्क ऐसे नहीं देता, कोई अपना है तो ही देता, ठीक है। इफ़ आई एम रनिंग माई बिजनेस सोलली ऑन समवन एल्स ट्रेडमार्क, then we both become associate enterprises. Okay. Raw material, if I'm getting raw material from only one person, then also we both become associate enterprises. Okay. कोई और डिसाइड कर रहा मेरा सेल प्राइस, मैं सेल कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, ए बी को सेल कर रहा है, ठीक है। ए शुड डिटरमाइन द सेल प्राइस, नो, बट हियर बी इज ओनली डिटरमाइनिंग द सेल प्राइस, बी इज इन्फ्लुएंसिंग द सेल प्राइस. Okay, both are associate enterprises. 10% or more for a firm. In case of a firm, a PBY, in that case, if I own 10% also, no, khatam. In all these cases, if you see it is 10% or more, 90 or more, 51 or more, okay, 10 or more, 26 or more. Okay, remember it in that way. And chalo guys, see you guys in another video, and I hope you guys like this video. Please do show some support, and see you all in another video. Let's go.